your first time, I hope you'll stay. Espero que te quedes. Today, we're looking at the verb cumplir, which means lots of things in English. It means to accomplish, to fulfill, to keep. Lots of different meanings. But today, in order for you to use it properly, I'm going to go through a few sentences and explain when you can use this verb. Okay? The first way is to talk about a promise, to keep a promise. Okay? Then, una promesa. So I could say, el médico cumplió su promesa y visitó al paciente. So the doctor kept his promise and visited the patient. Okay? So in that instant, you can use it to show that keeping of a promise. Okay? So employ that verb there. Cumplir una promesa. Okay. The second is obedecer. Okay? When you should obey something. Obedience. Obedecer. This sentence is a nice easy one for you. La policía nos dijo que debemos cumplir las leyes. Okay? So, la policía, the police, told us, nos dijo que debemos cumplir las leyes. We should obey the law. We should obey the law. Obedecer, obey the law. So I like that. La policía nos dijo que debemos cumplir las leyes. We should obey the rules, the laws. Leyes, laws. Now, jot that down. Obedecer, obey. Promesa, promise. The next one, age. So for instance, hoy is my birthday. So we use that verb to talk about when you're turning. So it means to turn. When you have a birthday and you say in English, today I'm turning 10 or I'm turning 20. You would use it. So you might say, cumplo 10 años, or here is cumple, which means he or she is turning 10. Okay? If it was me, I would say, cumplo. I'm turning 10 today. Okay? Go and look as well how you conjugate this verb in all tenses, but start with the present as that's the simplest. Hoy cumplo 20 años. It is my birthday, but I'm not turning 10. So, okay, hoy, día 29 de noviembre, cumplo 2 años. So today, 29th of November, I'm turning whatever age I'm turning. Okay, so there you go. The example, cumple 10 años hoy. Today, he's turning 10 years old. So to turn, when we're talking about birthdays, okay, or you're having a birthday. You're celebrating a birthday. Right, the next one is when you're carrying out a function. Llevar a cabo la función. So the example is this. Hay que cumplir con tu trabajo. Okay? It normally goes with con. Cumplir con. Yes? And it just means that you have to carry out with something that's expected. So you have to carry out your job. Okay? It's your responsibility to carry out your job, to do your job. Well, no pasa nada. Okay, and the next one is an adverb for cumplir. Okay? We would write it like that, for cumplir. Okay, so what it means is you do something out of politeness. Would you agree with that, Patricia?
Absolutely.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Lo hace por cumplir. So maybe, give me an example. What would we use it otherwise? So,
well, sometimes people invite you for a coffee and you really don't want to go with them, but you're like, oh, okay.
Por cumplir, boy.
Yeah.
So maybe you don't really fancy doing something, but you do it por cumplir. Okay? So that's when you would use that example. And the last one. He cumplido, how would you say that? He cumplido algo, he cumplido mi sueño de visitar.
Fulfill.
To fulfill, okay? To fulfill. So, I've fulfilled my dream to visit, no sé, Where's your dream? Where do you want to go?
Portugal.
Portugal. Portugal. Okay? So you can just think about what you want to accomplish. What do you want to fulfill in the future? Stick it on there. Okay? He cumplido. So I've accomplished. I've fulfilled my dream to visit wherever it is I want to visit. Or to do whatever other thing you want to do. Okay? Cumplir mi sueño de hacer algo. That is it. I'm going to cut it off right there, and you see these sentences, then you will know how to translate them into English. I hope you're walking away with something new for today, and with that, I'm going to say goodbye. Bye. Muchas gracias, Valeria, por participar.